everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can become fluent in your English speaking in just 90 days. This is a dream of many non-native English speakers that they want to become fluent in their English speaking. So I am going to share some points through which you can become easily fluent in your English speaking in just 90 days. So let me start this video. So the first point is listen to English for at least 2 to 3 hours per day. This is the thing which is very much important. As much as we listen to this language, we will get habituated with this language. We will become comfortable in this language. So it is really important to listen a lot in English. You can watch English movies. You can watch English TV series. You can watch English videos on YouTube or any other social platforms where speakers are speaking only in English language and they are very much confident and fluent English speakers. So you need to listen to those people who speak so confidently and fluently in English. If you have such kind of persons in your life, then listen to that person. Maybe you are having fight or maybe you are so much over friendly with that person. So any kind of relationship you are having with that person, still you listen to that person. If you are having fight, then just go for fighting with that person in English. That can actually help you in learning this language. So you need to become more comfortable in this language. So listen as much as you can. At least 2 to 3 hours you need to invest per day. Now the second point. The second point is very important. To be fluent in our speaking in English, we need to speak. Otherwise, everything will become like a theory. We are learning so many things. We are learning grammar. We are learning basic English strategies. We are learning advanced English. But the thing is, we need to implement. We need to practically use these things. And that we can do in our daily life by speaking more in this language. If you are not having that kind of ambience where people are speaking in English, then just go for practicing speaking in English all by yourself. You can do that thing with yourself just in front of a camera or in front of your mirror. Talk to yourself. Discuss about anything which is happening in your life or you are feeling like that you have experiences more in that thing. So go for talking to yourself. And you can do this in front of camera. You can record yourself. You can watch yourself later where you went wrong, where you were performing good, where you were fluent, where you were so much confident in your speaking, where you were feeling vulnerable or nervous, where you were getting stuck. So you can understand yourself better when you record yourself while speaking in English. So speak with yourself if you can. Otherwise, if there is the option of speaking to people in real life, then just go for that and grab that opportunity. Okay. Now let's come to the third point. The third point is have patience. This is somewhere required in this learning process. This thing is very much lacking in every people's life. They are in such a haste, they want to try to become fluent in just 30 days or 15 days. And why people encourage such thing, I don't know. Many teachers and coaches tell like that, I will teach you how to become fluent in spoken English in just 30 days. I am telling you it is really not possible. If you want to become fluent, if you want to become confident in this language, you need to understand that you need to have patience. As much as you have patience, you can adopt this thing very easily. So a 90 days journey is really something which is possible. But a 30 days journey is somewhere not possible. That needs too much effort. Means you have to invest your whole day and night into practice of speaking in English or listening in English. So if you can invest that much time, then it's possible in 30 days timeline. But if you don't have such time, then don't think like that you can acquire that skill of speaking well in English in just 30 days. But you need to understand that you are in a learning process, and in any learning process, patience is very much important. And in this learning process, in learning how to speak fluently in English, you need to keep patience. Another thing is, you need to understand speaking in English fluently and confidently requires hard work. Hard work or your efforts. This is really true. If you think like that, you will practice speaking in English for half an hour and listen to somebody speaking so well in English for half an hour. That can work good. No, that cannot work. You need to invest more and more time into this practice. You need to understand this is the most important part of your life. If you can speak well in English, you can do many more things in your life. You can get your dream job. You can get to connect with many people around the world. Therefore, speaking in English actually opens the doors of opportunities. So you need to understand that this learning is very much important in your life, and that's why you need to work a lot. You need to put efforts into your learning process. Okay, so that's the fourth point. Now let's come to the next point. Now the last point. This point is last but not the least. This is a very important thing you need to keep in your mind. That is, you need to possess a positive mindset. A positive mindset is everything. You need to understand that yes, you can also learn how to speak in English, and one day you will be able to speak fluently and confidently in English. You need to have that positive mindset. If he can, if she can, then I can too. If they can, I can too. That kind of positive mindset is necessary. English is just a language. It's not a rocket science. English is just a language like your own native language, like your mother tongue. So you can also achieve that ability to speak fluently and confidently in this language. It is not a big deal. You can easily acquire that skill. And you can acquire that skill by putting efforts, by keeping patience, by having positive mindset, by listening more and more to people who are speaking so good in English, and by putting yourself into practice of speaking in English. As much as you speak in English, as much as you listen to this language, you will get immersed into this language. You will become comfortable day by day into this language. So in 90 days, you can achieve easily that skill of speaking so good in English. So that's all for today. I am ending this video here. If you feel like that this video is a really helpful one, then just go for putting a thumbs up and share this video with those ones who really need this, and comment in the comment section if you need something to learn from me regarding the spoken English, then just comment it down in the comment section. And if you want to join my 5-day workshop where you can build your positive mindset and I can understand the strategies of how to speak confidently in English, then just join the workshop. You can register for the workshop at rupees 299. Thank you. Take care.